Sophia here from Sophia's Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make something really awesome. I'm going to show you how to make a multi-layered meal with using all of your elements of the Thermomix, and it's in under half an hour. So bear with me, we're going to make some amazing Thai red curry, steamed salmon, some baby spinach and some jasmine rice, all in one. We're going to start this recipe by essentially making our sauce for our salmon, and I'm essentially going to pop in all sorts of really nice ingredients. We're going to start with brown sugar. I actually use coconut sugar. You can use brown sugar or palm sugar, demerara sugar, all of those raw sugars will do. Some ginger and some garlic. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt, some fish sauce. Just need a little bit of fish sauce, don't need too much because you don't want to overpower your entire dish with fish sauce. And then we're going to add in some coconut milk, just 1 can of coconut milk. It's really nice. And make sure you actually get the coconut milk that isn't too thin, so you want the nice creamy coconut milk, not coconut cream though. And we're going to also add in some lime juice. It's just going to be really nice and fragrant. It's full of amazing spices and really delicious fresh ingredients, which will make a really proper nice meal. So just pop them all in, and then I'm going to add in some Thai red curry paste. I've already got my Thai red curry paste made. If you want to know how to make this Thai red curry paste, follow the link in the description below to my other video that will show you how to make this lovely Thai red curry paste. I'm going to pop this right in, and then we're going to add just a little bit of black pepper, just for seasoning. And then we're going to pop it on, just to blend it through really nicely on speed 10. What I'm going to do next is, I've got my sauce prepared. I'm going to now take my awesome Varoma tray. So these trays are actually available on my shop. You can get them in the link in the description below. They are really awesome if you want to make an entire dish with the sauce already in your Varoma, and you can actually just use it to dish up straight away. So what we will do is we will actually add it to the top of the Varoma, place in some salmon. I've got 2 salmon fillets here with the skin. You go skin side down. I'm just going to pop them in like that, and then we're going to use this lovely sauce that we've just created just to pour on top, just like that. And essentially what will happen during the cooking process is it will actually steam and poach the salmon rather than cooking it completely. Now you could use the rest of that sauce just to cook it up in a saucepan, or you can store it in the fridge for a few more days. You can also halve the recipe if you're only making a small batch. That's basically what you can do with the sauce. And now we're just going to rinse out the Thermomix and then fill it up with some water so we can actually create this entire meal. All that's left to do for our multi-layered cooking experience is basically adding in the simmering basket. I've added my water already, and then you're going to add in your jasmine rice. So we just use a nice jasmine rice, good quality jasmine rice, and we're going to pop that right inside. It's going to cook while the rest is cooking, and it's going to be done roughly at the same time, so that's perfect. And then we're just going to actually add the lid, and then we're going to pop on the Varoma with our salmon already. She's going to stick that on top, and then you're going to set the timer, and while this is going, about halfway through, we're going to add in our spinach so that the spinach actually doesn't overcook, and we're just going to add that in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It is dinner time, yay! I'm really excited. It actually smells absolutely divine. So what we are doing now is we're just going to serve up a storm now. Essentially, you've got your amazing salmon Thai red curry at the top. You can take this as it is and just serve it up, because you don't really need to pour it into anything else. It's completely servable as it is. Do make sure you take oven gloves when you are taking this out, because it is really hot. Underneath we have our lovely spinach, which is perfectly steamed, so I'm just going to get myself some oven gloves and serve this up for you guys. So this is how you serve up stuff in my house. Basically, we've got our spinach. I'm going to take myself a serving spoon, and I'm going to take the spinach, literally scrape it off. I've I've used a trivet, a stainless steel trivet, which you can get in the link in the description below, to essentially allow for maximum airflow, and you can just remove this after steaming. It is just a really good way of increasing the airflow when you are making a multi-layer meal, so an all-in-one meal, just because you don't want to completely pack all of those steam holes full of vegetables basically, and then you won't have enough airflow. So I'm using that trivet. Along with that tray, those are the two essential things for the Varoma that I always have at hand that you can get in the link in the description below. So once you've got that, pop that into your serve bowl. Again, those you can get on my shop, they're really useful. I use them for absolutely everything actually, and you will see me using these in other videos. You just close this off. If you aren't serving straight away, you can close it off, literally leave it as it is, and it'll keep hot for a little while. Then I'm gonna go onto my rice. So, rice comes out into another serve bowl. I use the serve bowl to actually fluff up my rice. It's perfectly cooked at the moment. You just take it out of the simmering basket and fluff it up as you put it into your serve bowl. And then there's a really cool trick. This is like the Sophia trick of rice making. I really like it. So once it's all in, I'm just going to show you my cool trick. Almost there. And you can use that trick for any rice you have. There we go. You just literally do that one with your actual lid. And the reason why I do it is because you're getting rid of some initial steam, which will help fluff up the rice even more. Then you're just going to pop the lid on, sit it on there, and essentially just leave it to finish off. If it steams in there for another couple minutes, essentially it'll help fluff it up really nicely. So to then finish it off and serve it up, this is by now a little bit cooler so I can touch it with my hand. You can just take that salmon, beautiful salmon, take the whole thing, serve it up onto your plate. Really nice. Get some of that lovely, amazing Tbsp curry sauce. Then you're going to get your spinach. And you get your rice. Sprinkle a little bit of coriander on top just to make it a bit pretty. Get yourself a lime wedge. If you want, you can sprinkle this now with some fried shallots or also some red chili. And then you're ready to serve up your amazing Thai red curry steamed salmon with amazing rice, beautiful spinach, all done in one go in less than half an hour. This is an excellent family dinner that you can just prepare at home with the use of my awesome gadgets that you can get in the link in the description below. Go check them out, they are really wonderful, and I do a whole bundle and kit for Varoma lovers like me. So guys, let me have my dinner and you guys make it at home. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell so that you can get those amazing videos as soon as they hit YouTube. Thanks guys.